हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू हार्टलैंड हिल्स एंड फार्म। ये रोड आप जो देख रहे हो, ये आप जैसे ही कसारा घाट चढ़ोगे तो आपको एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जवार फाटा मिलेगा विच कनेक्ट टू दिस रोड। ये सीधा रोड आपको खारेगांव और मोकाड़ा लेके जाएगा। और आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे देखोगे, ये हमारा सिक्योरिटी चेक पॉइंट है हार्टलैंड हिल्स एंड फार्म का। फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन एंटर टू आवर प्रोजेक्ट। इट्स अ टोटल 108 एकड़ लैंड प्रोजेक्ट, जिसमें हमारे पास 346 प्लॉट्स अवेलेबल है एंड ऑलमोस्ट 87 प्लॉट्स वी हैड बीन सोल्ड आउट। सो आई कैन शो यू द एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट, प्लीज कम विद मी। So guys, this is our 15,000 square feet cottage is ready as a sample villa. I can show you each and every detail inside also, and you can see the used space of garden which we had utilized for kids and all. You will be get in that corner fish tank also, and we'll start from inside. You can see this, we had made gazebo. It comes by in a size of 10 by 10. You can spend quality time with your family, friends and all. As you know, this location is known for heavy to heavy rainfall, so you can take the exact enjoyment of this location as well. So guys, we are into this living room. You can see it's a huge space, so you can put as much you know put your stuffs and all. And this open space which you see, it will come this French window which will be easily accessible to your living room to swimming pool as well. You can see a huge deck area, and the work is still going on. And the roofing which we have used is the antique style. You will feel like you are out of Mumbai, and it will give a pleasant stay atmosphere as per the designs and all. As a bedroom area, is a sufficient space compared to Mumbai house. It's more bigger than that. The size will be 14 by 16, and it will come around a French window from the both side. So you can easily from bedroom also, if you want to access to your swimming pool, you can easily go there. And as well, you can see the open view of the nature. It's surrounded by mountain, light. This will be a wardrobe area. You can put your cupboards and all for storage. As well, you will be getting a huge bathroom over here. You can just come and look it over here. I will show you the other bedroom. This will be a master bedroom, and sizes are 14 by 14. As well, it comes with a French window, and over here you can see the bathroom. You will be get two doors to access this bathroom. One is from your living room and one is from your passage. In the massive size we have given for the bathroom, you can show the entire space which has been utilized. Now I will take you to the kitchens directly. This will be your kitchen. The wall structure we have used is a purely, it will give you the farmhouse look. As well, you can put your organic farming also in this space. It's a huge space. You can grow your organic foods and all. This will be your water tank. As well, we have the terrace also. The staircase goes. 12 to 10 people easily sit over here. I show you the fish tank also. We had used, so for your kids it will be a great place to play and all. And we do have fish also which we had made. You can just zoom and show the fishes as well. Just zoom it out, you can see the fishes. So here and all. And we had given the youth space for kids as a play zone. They can use it. You can show the entire space.